Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Swift Attitude, limited edition model. We've got the carbon trim on the front, also running down the side of the vehicle. You also have the upgraded polished alloy wheels. Inside the vehicle, we'll find steering wheel with integrated controls for the Bluetooth and audio, in-car entertainment allowing you to stream your own music, DAB digital radio, USB charging point and air conditioning. 3 seats in the rear, 2 of which have ISOFIX for children's car seats. As we move round, you've got rear tinted privacy glass on 3 sides, carbon effect trim at the rear also, and rear spoiler. This vehicle's had just one owner from new and offers a great saving on the list price.